Look at this beautiful garden. The plants are tall, green, and full of life. But wait, have you ever wondered? How do plants eat?
They don't have mouths like us. Then, how do they eat?
Good question. Plants make their own food through something amazing called photosynthesis. Let's find out how it works.
Hi, friends! I don't need to eat like you do. I make my own food. I just need 3 things: sunlight, water, and air.
That's all?
Yes. Plants are nature's little chefs. They mix these ingredients to make their own energy. Inside, every leaf is a special green part called chlorophyll. It captures sunlight and helps the plant make food.
So the leaf works like a kitchen?
Exactly. Water travels up from the roots. Air enters the leaf and sunlight gives the power. Together, they make food for the plant. The plant turns water and carbon dioxide into sugar. It's food and gives out oxygen into the air.
That's the oxygen we breathe!
Yes, plants keep our air clean and help every living thing stay alive. Photosynthesis keeps plants strong, helps them grow, and fills our world with fresh air.
Plants are really amazing.
They sure are. Every green leaf you see is busy making food and giving life to our planet. So let's remember, sunlight, water, and air help plants make their own food and share oxygen with us.
Thank you, plants!
That's the secret power of plants, photosynthesis. Keep learning and exploring with Amazesphere Kids.